Good morning. How are you? Happy Trident. Okay, so you're kicking back, not in my kitchen, someone else's kitchen, but I wanted to share with you, I don't know if you're feeling this, but when you're buying produce and fruit, that's actually the most costly item on your grocery list besides your meats, right? And so many times we have great intentions. We go to the grocery store, get all the produce, get excited, have this big plan, put it in our veggie drawer in the fridge or in the pantry, and then it starts going bad quickly, right? So let me save you some money, alrighty? So meal prepping or power prepping is the thing to keep you from getting all those great vegetables not getting used in your kitchen. So one of the things that I like to do is when I get my veggies, I prep and cut them ahead of time. Now, I'm on vacation, so I don't have all my Pampered Chef tools and I'm feeling it, but I still had to go on here and share with you because I really think that if you can save some money in doing the fresh at-home cooking, with yummy, healthy veggies, that's really exciting. And you guys know I'm not a total healthy eater because I'm a cheese gal and a Diet Coke gal and an ice cream gal. I'm just having therapy with you right now. But when we do the, what am I trying to say? When I do my summer recipes, I love having fresh vegetables or different things in the pantry ready to go or in the fridge. So I find if I don't have to prep every single night the veggies and I just take about 10-15 minutes and I cut all my peppers, I typically put them in some in chunks, some in slices. Don't have my quick slice here, but it's okay. I can still use. I did bring my Santuco knife. Anytime we go on vacation somewhere that has a kitchen and I'm not really sure about the facility, I always bring a skillet and a knife and like a mix and scraper, always, because I know that my knife is sharp and that's when all the accidents happen, is when you have a tool that's not sharp enough and you're fighting with it. So I know that this one's gonna be perfect, right? The other cool thing is it makes us eat at the place more, and that saves money too. So for instance, I went ahead and did some of these, and I'll put those in a baggie and put them for omelets. I have sticks like for a veggie tray that I just threw one on the ground, but we won't eat that one. So it's nice because if you get all this prepped ahead of time and in the fridge, and if you don't have our amazing cool and serve tray, you can use baggies, you can use any kind of system you want. But if you go ahead and have it done, and then you can just grab it the day or the lunch or the breakfast or whatever you want to do, and you don't have to do all that prep every single meal. Does that make sense? Give me a thumbs up if that sounds pretty darn cool to you. Now, I will tell you the one thing I typically do not prep ahead are onions, because how many times do you cut onion, you only use half of it, you put it in a Ziploc baggie, you put it in your fridge, and then your ice even starts smelling like that onion. You guys, I have an answer to your onion issue prayers. It is called the reusable silicone bags. Now, we actually have a set. I only brought this one on vacation, but this onion has been in my house fridge. It's a red onion. And because the little teeth things and the thickness of the silicone, I have not smelled onion in anything in my refrigerator, my freezer, my ice cubes, nothing. So this has also been saving me money because I find too, if I don't use the whole onion and I save half of it in a baggie, it goes bad very quickly, right? Because it's just sitting there. I do suggest when you have an onion, you keep this piece on, the part that you're not going to use the day of, okay? But this onion has been in this bag. I was gone for a week in Chicago. Probably didn't cook a couple days before that. Didn't cook until just now for omelets, but it's ready to go and it doesn't smell. The only part I will share is the edge that is cut. I typically cut that part off on live TV with a sharp knife or live Facebook, but then it's good to go the rest of the part. So this part, you know, is wasted, but the rest of the onion is not. So if you're curious about these, I will post a link that tells, we have all different sizes, and I use like the sandwich bag for my lunches at school, things like that. Again, some of us are really trying to watch our money, and so these are reusable. They go in the dishwasher. And the other cool thing is I'm not buying a whole bunch of baggies, throwing them away, having to buy more baggies. These are really purposeful. So I have about 3 of these that I do. And when I power cook my chicken or my ground beef, put them in here and have them ready to go for whatever meal for the week to go. Okay? So hop it off. Might need to brush my hair a little bit. Hope everybody is having a good day. Some of you are at work right now. I know. I'm a teacher and a Pampered Chef gal. So Tuesday in the summer, I'm doing whatever I want. Love it. All right, you guys. Comment below what you're doing on this fabulous Tuesday. And do you have a tip that you use to save your vegetables and fruits and make them last longer? I've heard some really good ones when I was at conference. So I'm curious, do you guys have any good save the veggie tips? All right, you guys. Have a great Tuesday. Toodaloo, buckaroos, bye.